Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is SEO, and we have a new playlist for attribution where we have some good topics when you work on uh, digital analytics. So let us begin. So what is an SEO? SEO is stands for search engine optimization. This is one of the booming topic if you talk about digital marketing or digital analytics. Okay, this is really very wide, very famous, and very, you can say, a topic that needs to be understand if you are an IT guy or if you are someone who wants to have a e-market. Okay, so in this section, I'll show you what impact SEO has on consumers in their decision making and how it drives performance through the whole consumer journey. We all know that a consumer journey starts very moment the consumers step into our website. So we start our consumer journey with that, and through the SEO, we also have some other tools, but through this SEO, how we can enhance this. Okay, so firstly, let us categorize this. Like, we have SEOs three types. There are basically three types of SEOs: technical SEO, off page, and on page SEO. Off page and on page are sometimes called off site and on site, and sometimes it is called external and internal also. Okay, okay. So off page is external and on page is internal. So basically, the technical SEO is all about how you analyze the structure and what type of technology you are using. So it is basically the technical stuff. Off page is something which is used for website promotions basically. Okay, and on page is for, say, content optimization, how well you are optimizing your contents and how things are getting better when you use SEOs. Okay, but when we talk about this from attribution perspective. Okay, note this, when we are talking about this from attribution perspective, we are looking at an impact that has on our customer journey and their decision making. Okay, so our input should be like, say, uh, what is the person engaging with on site. Okay, so it can be done by analytics data, or we can ask the concept of their perception before they arrive at the website. What was their actual motto when they come to the website? So what can we do is we can have a context of what they may have searched for to land this on a particular page. Okay, also, once we have all this data, then we see how much value did SEO have within our journey. Okay, so and by some statistics, I got to know that SEO is really very undervalued. Like, I've checked it for some firms, and I find out that it is almost 60% of undervalued. That means is they tend to have 16% lower value than what we think they should have in an attribution model. So SEO is a really powerful tool, and it is a really great tool, but we actually don't know how do we personally use it. Mostly, as I told you, the type of SEO, people only use one or two type of SEOs, or they didn't even know that how many type of SEO we can have and what are the ways we can maximize the use of SEO. So this has to be known by your marketing team, or when you're studying attribution. In fact, a user itself doesn't actually understand what they are, that they are in a buying journey. Okay, they don't know if they are getting tracked. So they just want something, or they just need something on your website. And so it's our job to understand the context of where each individual keyword that someone would want to rank for as a brand would be within a consumer's buying journey. So in SEO, what we have is we have keywords that are ranked. For example, say I'm buying a car, so my SEO keyword should be car. Say I'm living in India, so Indian cars, Indian market cars, top Indian cars. these should be my top priority SEOs. So whenever a person lands on your page and you have his journey, so you need to see what are the particular keywords that are ranked on the basis of SEOs that the person used. Okay, so now the thing is, you can do is you can look at where it impacts the journey with SEO. So we have the full consumer journey, right? We know what landing page rank for what terms. We can now have a must say more clearer understanding about what in the particular journey have the type of landing pages appeared the most. Okay, we can track what particular pages have been tracked the most, or the pages consumer landed on the most. So we can check what needs to be focused more, and what is going okay, and what needs to be improved. Okay, so these are the things we can have a look by this. Also, this shows you exactly where the opportunities are for you to change consumer behavior. Yes, we can change consumer behavior by making clear instructions in our site, by making our SEOs, by working on more and more attribution models. So yes, we can change our consumer journeys, or we can change our consumer behavior when they land on one page, and from uh, an SEO perspective. So this was it for this video, guys, and I really hope this helped you a lot. Thank you.